We met Tim at one of the open houses that he was attending, and we offered a lot of questions up to him to ask him about ways that we could go through with a relocation, and he was very open and forthcoming, even though he wasn't a realtor at the time, and was more than willing to share that knowledge and information. And we ended up signing up with him and his company, and they got us together with a realtor that was in our area for the house that we were selling, and we got the house sold with the assistance of that organization. And then when we came down here, we ran into some speed bumps along the way with trying to find a new house, with some issues with some of the houses that we were looking at. And Tim and his team were there for us the whole way. Amanda did an exceptional job trying to keep us in the know of all the legal proceedings and stuff that we were trying to figure out with some of the terminology and closing items and issues that we were having. And the team overall has been above and beyond and more than exceptional.
Well, thank you very much for choosing to use me and my company as your realtors, and I hope you enjoy many years in your new home in Fuquay Marina, and just tell everyone you know.
Oh,
I'd love
absolutely.
to help them too.
We certainly will.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And welcome to North Carolina.
Well, thank you again.
Thank you.